Hello people, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be showing you how to put a parking lot in your drawings. This is a 3D plan view of my current project I'm working on as a school assignment. It's kind of like a duplex, but anyway, enough about what I'm doing. I'm just going and show you what I want to show you for today. So this part of my design will have a social kind of center here where there will be a playground, a fire pit, and whatnot. And the main entrance to this compound, I've hidden a site for my own personal reasons. You can see that I've hidden something. The parking lot will be in the front part of this building. Um, so first thing you do is up here where you have your tabs, you click on Massing&Site, click on parking component, and you would see the different parking stalls that you can install. This is 60 degrees, and as you can see, that one is angled like that. And you have 80 degrees, which is a different angle, and then you have 90 degrees, which is like that. So I'll be putting in 90 degrees parking lot. So zoom in here. You can notice that my building is not squared. It's not 90 degrees. It's at an angle. Um, it's because of how it will look in real life on the site. So what I'll do is if you want to make it 90 degrees or be in line with the building, just hover the mouse at the edge, and then it will be highlighted like this. Yeah, like that, and hit the space button until you have it at the point where you desire. Um, oh, look at it again. There we go. One, two, there we go. Yeah. And I will leave about 6 feet um, for handicap parking. So my handicap parking will have the other spots go here. And then um, after that, I will leave, say, about space it of 10 feet behind. Yeah. Space, have that. Let's get that line. Okay, I'll just mirror that, make it easier for me. Now, the space between this and that is what I want to correct, work on immediately. All right, 18 feet, that's too much. So I'll click on this, make that about 10 feet. Okay, about 10 feet. I can delete that now, and then I can now come and put in my handicap parking stall. So I don't need this anymore. This is just there to help me as a guide. So to bring that in, you go to Insert, Load Family, scroll down and go to Site, Parking, and Parking Space ADA. This is what I want. It's gonna show down in Families down here. So you open that, scroll down to Site. Oh, it's not. Oh, actually, it's actually Parking. Sorry about that. You go to Parking and then Parking ADA. Then yeah, 8 foot aisle, 9 by 18. That's exactly what I want. Yes, that's exactly what I want. So bring that in there. Hover the mouse, tap, tap, tap. Perfect. And I want to be in line with that right there. Okay. Now with the first one that I don't want, just hover the mouse, tap, select it, and delete that one. It's gone. And there we have it. I have my ADA. With this one, I can go on and mirror it. Oh, never mind. Perfect. And move that from this point. Determine the distance between them. Here to, let's say here, say 17. I'm gonna make that 20. Click on that. Click on that. Make that 20 feet. I do not know the code for it. I'm choosing 20 because I want to leave 10 feet for each car, like for moving traffic going this way and then traffic coming out that way. So 20 feet. Now the next I want to do is array these. So for this, come here, click on the array command here. Let's say I want to have about, let's say, five of these. Five of these. Move to second, yep. And then click on here and move that right over here. And there you have it. So I have four, yeah, five of these. Perfect. Hit enter, and that is done. And then the next thing is these. Select this and select that array. And let's say I want to have about, let's say about 10 of them. Move to second. So click on this edge, move that here. Then there you have it. I have my 10 parking spots as I want it to be. So I want to have an island also. Insert, and I'll choose uh, this for an island for the handicap. That will be under site, parking island. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Move that in. Yeah. All right. Then move that in here. Tap, tap. That's a big island. Uh, Probably choose a different kind of island. Let's say that. Huge islands. I'll fix that in a sec. Okay. So I'm gonna try this. Duplicate. Get a copy of it, and let's make that. Let's say 8. So I've not encountered this problem before. There's a different version of Revit that I don't usually use, so I don't know how to change it. But anyway, this is how you do it, and you have it done. I will show you how to put in the handicap symbols. The next step, and I know that it's a small symbol, but then I want to know the distance from here to this point, 8'9". So to find it out, to put it in right in the center, that's going to be about 4 4 foot, 4.5, right in the center. So I can come up here, down here, I mean, ADA parking symbol, yeah, and then this one right here, move that to get it to, yeah, perfect. And put that, let's say, somewhere here. Find the center of it. To find this in the center, say, let me make this point the center. Okay, let's assume that is the center. So I have this 4 4.5. That is in the center now for me. So I'll click on this part, and then once again, array. We want to have we had 5 stalls, right? I think I might have to change it to 4. Let's see. 1 point to this point here, and there you have it. 5. Now done. So this is how you put in your parking stalls. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.